Okay, it's Wednesday, October 21st. Yeah, 21st, 2020. I've repaired this, put in a new boost converter. Put the heat sink on it. And a big difference here is now that the fan will be running directly off the battery instead of off the end of the buck converter. So I was able to get rid of that string of resistors out of the intake. So with great trepidation, I am now going to plug it in and try it out, and hopefully not get any blue smoke. Let me turn it on over here. That's to the external power supply position. Now I'll turn it on over here. Alright, purple light is good. Battery's steady at 58%. We're not drawing excessive amps. The fan is running just fine. The remaining task from this new arrangement is that I'm going to have to make a 19.7 volt internal battery. I'll probably make a couple so that I can, have some to, a spare. Well, so far. Let's not feeling much heat. Alrighty then. Oh, I just saw something. The flashlight's not going to work. I'm going to have to cut this open here. Because if I turn it on with a 19.7 volt battery in here when it's set up for 8.4 volts, of course what you're going to get is blue smoke. So, alrighty then. That's down to 54% already. Nope, still cool. Alrighty then.